Here's how to make the popular East African salad called Kachumbari, which goes well with pretty much anything. So I'm going to start up by chopping up some tomatoes. And then I'm going to dice up some shallots. I'm going to let this sit in warm water whilst I prepare the rest of my ingredients, and this just reduces the sharpness of the taste. And then for a kick, I'm going to add some chilies. And I'm also going to dice up some coriander. You want to add this all to a bowl, and then I'm going to season it with a bit of salt, all-purpose, and I also add a dash of lemon, and then you want to mix it all together. And just like that, your delicious, refreshing East African salad, Kachumbari, is done. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.